Here we have our freshly installed high-speed roll-up door. Once installed though, we realized that there were some challenges that we needed to overcome. First, safety is paramount here at SICK. We want to make sure our employees are safe from all hazards. And additionally, our high-speed roll-up door had to be modified to work with our new Fetch autonomous mobile robots, or AMR for short. So how did we address this? Well, we had our own SICK Safety Services Engineering team apply our consulting and engineering process, or C&E process, to design a safety solution that not only is safe, but also productive. We evaluated the inherent risks, we recommended modifications, and we also documented the residual risk in this specific application. We performed a risk assessment. We also completed a safety concept, and we completed a new retrofit design to address the task hazard pairs that were defined in the risk assessment. We applied 6 safety rated products and non-safety rated products as well. For example, this is our TIM 361S safe LiDAR scanner. We also installed multiple safety relays inside the manufacturer's control cabinet that actually interface the new safety system with the existing control system. We call that our SICK relays. Additionally, we designed in some W26 photoelectric sensors that allow us to automatically open the door when our new autonomous mobile robots approach. We've actually retrofitted over 1,000 of these high-speed roll-up doors for our customers all over the US and Canada, in addition to many, many other safety solutions that we've delivered to hundreds of our customers as a result of our very comprehensive safety services portfolio. Also, SICK has now partnered with select high-speed roll-up door manufacturers to help them design their product safe and compliant from the factory. I'm very excited about this new idea where we're working with the OEMs, because now not only can we offer our customers a safe and compliant retrofitted existing machine, we also now can offer OEMs a chance to design their solution safe and deliver it to the factory floor already safe and compliant.